Keep it simple, stupid. That's what they tell you, but JavaScript wants to force me to use asynchronous code when I don't see a use for it in this case. So here's what we're trying to do. So here's our monkey wrench macros. Here's our monkey wrench macros right here. Here's the Java file, the JavaScript file converted to a binary array, a byte array. And here's our input. We created a spin lock. Here's our new file reader. And here's our array buffer. Our array buffer needs to be converted to a uint8 array once we get it back. Here's the file reader.onload function. So this is a callback function. And we're going to try to read as array buffer the input file. And if we're successful, then this callback is eventually going to be called. And we can get this result, which will be an array buffer. We're going to turn off the spin lock, which will get us past here, and then we can take the array buffer, convert it to a uint8 array, and then we can spit that out, right? Right? No, absolutely fucking not, because we can't use a spin lock, because even though it is asynchronous code, it is not multi-threaded code. We need our whole stack to collapse before the file reader will update itself. So this is not going to fucking work. So we need to create some type of event system if we want this code to work. Okay, so in our loadbox disk function, we've added the new code. So here's our new code. And if we could get this function to work synchronously, then we would be done. We would be fucking done with this function. But we're not. We have to add a whole goddamn event system to re-linearize our code, because I'm not gonna just put asynchronous bullshit in my code just because that's how, you know, JavaScript wants me to write it. So we're forced to fight with our tools here. So here's what we did previously. Here's our little footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. So in the next video, we'll try to work on an event system to keep track of a job queue for the Filemob system. So you've been here. If you want a longer explanation. Longer explanation is here. You're on the short playlist. Source code is right here for you. You can email me here. Like, subscribe, and send money in the mail, my friend.